Hey kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. How are you? Hey, I just wanted to quickly pop in and let you guys and make sure that you guys know how to submit your Prezis properly. I know it might have been a while since we've done this, but I keep getting submissions that don't take me to the correct link. It's not showing me your Prezi. So really quickly, this is my demo of my Prezi, which of course, this is what yours looks like too from the zoomed out screen, right? Right. Okay. When you submit your assignment, do not highlight, copy, and paste this. That is a URL and it doesn't take me to your Prezi. It takes me to Prezi's login page, which does nothing to get me to your Prezi. So do not send me this. Okay. Instead, what you need to do is come here. It's at the top of your presentation. Click share, click view link. You can, if you've already submitted a Prezi before, which you have because we're at the end of the year, but you can do this one. You can just hit copy, or if it says do a new link, click new link and give it a title, whatever you want. But this is the link you need to submit, okay? So you hit copy. And then you're going to come back to your Class Mammalia Prezi assignment. And when you click Submit Assignment right here, let me see if it'll let me do it. There you go. Then that is where you put in the link. Okay? Okay. I put that on a few of your submitted assignments, but it was happening enough. I thought, let's just make sure everybody's got it. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, shoot me a message, come see me in the Google Meet, and talk to you later. Okay, bye.